They say an empty mind is a devil's workshop. Yes, that is true. Welcome to day 7. Well, today is a rest day and you have full liberty of taking rest as much as you can. But also want you to make it a productive one. Go outside, walk, read some books, do anything productive rather than only exercising. Through this series, I also want you to grow as a human being and reach your truest potential. Physical being as well as mental being goes hand in hand. So practice mindfulness as well, because things take time. This beginner series will not make you a bodybuilder or a shredded athlete. So in order to practice mindfulness, so use these rest days to cater to your full potential. And I'll be seeing you on day 8.